Hi all, welcome to the Best of CAT series by IMS. I am Parmeshwar Sharma and today we are going to look at a question on algebra, and please let's say pause the video, kindly give it a try and then resume the video. So today's question is an interesting question and the question goes like this. The number of real root of the equation twice of cos of x into x plus 1 is equals to 2 power x plus 2 power minus x. Now, how to approach this particular question? Suppose if I look at my left hand term and the right hand term separately over here, if I focus on the right hand side first, which happens to be a 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to minus x. Can we say here that this term basically look like a plus 1 by a, because 2 power x and 2 power minus x happens to be nothing but reciprocal of each other? And we know that suppose a number like of the form a plus 1 by a for positive real values of a has to be minimum equals to 2 using the property am more than equals to gm. If I show you over here also, one can say 2 power x plus 2 power minus x divided by 2, that's the am part, should be more than equals to the geometric mean, which happens to be nothing but for two number square root of the product. So one can say 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to minus x. My RHS part right now becomes equals to 1 because root of 2 power 0 becomes root of 1, which is 1. And if I cross multiply, I get 2 power x plus 2 power x minus x more than equals to 2. So it is very much clear right now that my RHS value is going to be definitely more than equals to 2. Let's focus on my left hand side now. If I look at the left hand side currently, one knows that the term cos theta is always between a minus 1 to plus 1. So one can say the term twice of cos theta is going to be between the number minus 2 and plus 2, including the extreme points. So now is it very clear right now that my left hand term is going to be between minus 2 to plus 2. So minus 2 to plus 2. So now again RHS will be at least equals to 2. Left hand side will be maximum equals to 2. So if I want the two things to be equal, the only possibility will be when both of them are equals to 2 only. And what does that mean? I want the RHS to become equals to 2, and we know that the value of a plus 1 by a becomes equals to 2 when both of them are equal to each other and both of them are equals to 1. That means here the term 2 power x plus 2 power minus x will become equals to 2 when each terms are equals to 1 and they are equal to each other. And when do you think the number 2 power x becomes equals to 1? For x equals to 0. So can we say for x equals to 0, my RHS will become equals to 2. So if I now look at the left hand side, one can say I want the left hand side to be also equals to 2, and for the left hand side to be equals to 2, my cos term has to be equals to 1. So what I want now is the term cos of x into x plus 1 to become equals to 1. And now one knows that cos of 0 happens to be a 1. And you can say that this particular part x into x plus 1 becomes 0 for either x equals to 0 or x equals to a minus 1. But if I now look at the common overlap, the left hand side becomes 2 for x 0 or minus 1. The RHS becomes equals to 2 only for x equals to 0. So what is my common solution over here? Definitely x equals to a 0. Now please note, we are not supposed to mark option number 1 as our answer, since the objective is to find out the number of real root, which turns out to be only x equals to 0, and hence we have only one real root here. So my answer for this particular question has to be option number 4. So you can now try the replica question and you can put your answer in the comment section.